Hi, y'all. Have a good excuse not to griddle today. Uh, Not sure if you can hear the hum going on, but it's a swarm of bees in our trees. Let's see. There's none right in front of me at the moment. Maybe one will fly around or a couple before I finish. But yeah. Oh, I don't know if you can make those guys out. Oh, there's a spider and a bee. Who's gonna win that one? It's a redback spider. Anyway, they're here collecting nectar for their honey, and they come around every year or two or three, and they'll be gone in a day or two once they've collected everything. I'm not too worried. Honeybees won't bother you if you don't bother them, and the queen isn't threatened, and I have no intentions of threatening their queen. But they do like the griddle. If I started cooking something, that'd be all over the place, all over my food. But yeah, that's my excuse today. That, and I'm trying to eat my salads and eat healthy. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging with me. We'll get back on the griddle soon, though. See you next time. Bye.